Hello everyone. Today we are learn to electronic science paper 4th nanoelectronics. Then what is the quantum dots, quantum well and quantum wires? This is the basic structure for the quantum wells, dots and wires. It is the dimensional less structures, that is the low dimensional less structures. Suppose this is discussed in the dimensions, that is reduced from the characteristics, that is the bulk solids. These reductions for the size, electrical size, mechanical, chemical, magnetic and the optical properties can be introduced in these lectures. Then these structures can be low dimensional structures, that is the particles can have electrons or holes, that is the low dimensional structures. It is the dramatic change for the behavior and size of the effect of the quantum size effects. This is the low dimensional structures or materials, that is the properties are not corresponding to the large scale structures, that is the same compositions for the nanostructures or bridge between the molecules and the bulk materials. Now suppose we discuss in the properties of nanostructures, that is the low dimensional materials. This is the classifications for the low dimensional materials. It is classified for the three main parts that have, it is the precisely dimensionally refers, that is the number of degrees freedoms of the particle is momentum. According to the part of dimensions, that is the classifications modes, that is first one is the three dimensional, that is the 3D structure or the bulk structure. That means from the no quantizations of particles, it motions further, that is the particle is free in space. Second one is the two dimensional, that is the 2D structure for the it is called as the quantum well. That means particles for the occurs in only one dimensionals, and these particles is free to move in the other two directions, that is called as the two dimensional structure or the quantum wells. Then one dimensional structure, that is called as the 1D or the quantum wires, that is quantization occurs for the two directions, that is the free movement leading for the free movement along only one directions. Then fourth one is the zero dimensional, that is the 0D structures, it is called as the quantum dots. That means it is sometimes called as the quantum box. It is quantizations occurs from in the all three direction structures for the low dimensionals or the dimensionless structures. This is the classifications for the low dimensional structures. Then why it is need for the low dimensional structures, we have to find out these parts. That is the quantum well size, it is called as the 1 to 1000 nanometers, that is called as the thickness. Quantum wires, it is 1 to 100 nanometer size. Nanotubes, it is the 1 to 100 nanometers radius. Quantum dots or the nano dots, it is the 1 to 10 nanometers radius. That is, this is the particle for the dimensionless for the nanoscale size. That means it is determined that the reduced dimensional for the structures, and it is labeled to the remaining degrees for freedom in the particles motions, that is for the number of directions for the confinement. Then why need for the quantum mechanics are essential for the nano parts, that is the main parts for the, that is the atomic scale, and the transition occurs from the classical laws, that is the quantum mechanical laws of physics, that occurs from atomic or the subatomic scale, that cannot be explained outside the quantum mechanical laws. For example, that is the properties for atoms, that is chemical bond and the motion of electron in a structure, that cannot be understood from the classical laws. That means the macroscopic scale reveal underlining the quantum phenomena. It is since for the quantum mechanics, it is basis find out the understand the natural phenomena are occurred in the chemistry, biology, physics, material science and engineering, etc. This is find out the nanoscales. It is accurate predicted from the quantum mechanics, and it is represented by the Schrödinger equations. This is referred to as the quantitative understandings for the properties of low dimensional structures. This low dimensional structure that is the quantum well, quantum dot, and the quantum wires. In the quantum mechanics, the trajectory for the moving particles that loss the distance and the potential energy were the de Broglie wavelengths, that is called as the lambda is equal to 2 pi divided by square root of twice me into h. This is the de Broglie wavelengths for the particles. Now we have to find out the de Broglie wavelength. It is the h is the Planck's constant, m is the mass, e is the energy, and the find out these characteristics for the nanoscale or the main wave particle duality. These dimensions of structures, it is comparable for the length of the de Broglie wavelength. At least one dimensional of the solids, it is compared to the de Broglie wavelengths of the particles, and quantum mechanical treatment for the portion for motion becomes it is necessary for that conditions. Now this quantum mechanics, it is the elementary particles, that is the electrons and holes and the photons, or even in the physical systems described for the functions, it describes for the functions, and this is the wave functions with is probability find out of particles of the with respect to time t. Then we find out the particles probability of the motions, it is known as the possible for computational abilities, and to calculate find out the macroscopic parameters of the particles, that is called as the wave functions of charged particle, that is the Schrödinger wave equations we can write here in bracket minus h square divided by twice m del square plus v of rt in bracket close psi of rt is equal to I h cross dabba psi upon of rt divided by dabba t. This is the equations for the Schrödinger wave equations for the particles. Now del square or the del is the value for the three dimensional, that is the x, y, z, that is called as the del square is equal to dabba square upon dabba x square plus dabba square upon dabba y square plus dabba square upon dabba z square. It is the Laplacian form for the operators. Then put this value for the I, that is called as the square root of minus 1, square root of minus 1s, it is find out these equations. Then the particles of mass m, it is the careful handles for the particles, that is the electrons or holes in the solid states. The effective mass m, it is less than for the mass of isolated electrons. It is the Hamiltonian operators, that is called as the h of rt is equal to minus h cross square divided by twice m del square plus v of rt, that is called as the Hamiltonian operators. Then this is the potential is does not depend on time, that is v of rt is equal to v of r. Then this depends on time and the constant coordinates z we can write here. Now this equations is can write here Schrödinger wave equations, that is minus h cross square divided by twice m del square plus v of r, psi of r is equal to e psi of r, that is called as the time for the harmonic Schrödinger wave equations, that is the simple conditions or one dimensional states. Now first we will discuss introduction for the quantum wells, quantum wires, and the quantum dots. The quantum wells, wires, and dots, it is the depends on the small dimensional structures, that is the basic building blocks for the nanoelectronic devices. These nanoelectronic devices can transfer from the how to confine them, how to activate them, how to threshold for the conductance, and these all who understand the physics for the three quantum structures. Now this is the three types of fundamental nanostructures we can discuss here. First one is the nano quantum whale, quantum dot, and the quantum wire. Now consider, first we discuss in the Tamil Nadu scenario. In the 6 lakhs number of students appear for the years. Now consider this is the conditions for the fourth cases, then the draw for the diagrams for energy level diagrams, that is the number of students having score marks and the difference bands like as follows. Then this is the for visualize the diagrams, that is the whole state, district, school and the class. This is how to it will be look like. When state it is level for the mark band diagrams. Each band diagrams can be discussed in the spital dimensions of the large number of students that carry vary from the similar to bulk materials. Then when we to look the district levels of the band diagrams, that is the is close to each other but not to state in levels. This is because that the dimensions and the laser number of students, that is very similar for the quantum Wells dimensions, that is the two dimensional list quantities. Now when we look to school levels marks of the diagrams, that is for the quantum wire sets. And last one is the find the class levels of the marks, that is for the quantum dots. We find here the maximum quantities or the maximum energy levels for the electronics parts, that is sufficient for the electrons. Now the number of band diagrams we can discuss here: quantum well, quantum dot and quantum wells wires. That is, we can use the quantum dot well wire, that is a fabricate for the device, that is called as a transistor, and the memory device. These levels from the current of the nano in the picoamperes. Most of the nanoelectronic devices and the semiconductor structures, we can find here the band gaps of the desired levels and the band gap engineering to the design for the non-traditional devices with unusual electrons transferred from the optical effects. Now first we will discuss what is a quantum well. The quantum well, it is a semiconductor device that is grows from the lower energy and the trap for the electrons and the holes. That means holes towards the lowest possible energy positions, they are referred to as the quantum wells because these semiconductor regions are only for the few atomic layers, and turn this means that properties for the quantum mechanics, it allows the specific energies and band gaps. Then quantum structures are very thin, they can modify further very easily. In the quantum well, it is the real world implementations, that is the particle in the box. This acts as the particles or the potential wells, that is charge carriers, and the typically expand from the epitaxial growths and the sequence of layers. It consists of the semiconducting materials for varying the materials. Now, this is the structure for the quantum wells energy states. This is multiple material are adjust here, that is the two dissimilar materials, semiconductor materials, that is with different band gaps, are joined to the heterojunctions materials. Now these conductions or the valence band are used for the potential wells. If the thin layer of the narrow bandwidth potentials, it is said to be between two layers, that is a wide band gap materials. This is the double heterojunctions. If the A is sufficiently thin or the quantum properties to be exhibited, then the band alignment is called as the single quantum well. These additional semiconductor layers can be included in the heterostructure. For the examples, that is the asymmetric quantum wells, that is informed that the inclusion of between materials A and B. These materials, it is a complex in structures that is form the symmetric or asymmetric quantum wells, that is the single or double or multiple quantum wells or the lattice find out. This difference in between the ladders, that is the interaction between quantum wells and the multiple quantum wells, that is exhibit in the properties of collections, that is the single quantum well, whereas the quantum wells do interact. These motivations behind the introducing further quantum structures, that is electronic and the optical properties of these materials, these structures to find out that the materials, it is the quantum wells. Now the quantum wells, it is the dimensionality electronics environments, that is the two-dimensional quantum wells to a one-dimensional quantum wires, and it is the zero-dimensional quantum dot. This is the dimensionality refers to the number of degrees and the freedom for the electronic moments. In that, within the quantum wire and the electron, it is confined across the two directions rather than just one a quantum well, that is reduce the degrees and the freedom from the one conditions to the another conditions of the quantum dot. This in the other all three dimensionals, it is reducing the degrees for freedom to zero, that is the number of freedom that is electrons can transmit from the extent of the dimensionless, that is a bulk or the three dimensional, that is the 0 or 3. Quantum well, it is the 1 or 2, that is the 1 2. Quantum wire is the 2 1, and quantum dot is the 0 3. That is the structure for the three dimensional structure. Then second is the quantum wires. The quantum wires, how to prepare for the quantum wires? This quantum wire, this is the layer for the quantum wires. It is the photolithography, that is called as the electron beam lithography. It is live from the freestanding strip of the quantum well materials, that is it is not filled with the overgrowth for the barrier materials, that is charge carriers are confined with the heterostructure growth axis and the quantum well, but in the addition form of they are confined along the additional directions of the x and y directions lithography. This is the structure for quantum wires or the single quantum wires. Then next is the quantum dot. The quantum dots, it designed for the lithographies and etching, that is the sample for the etching and to leave pillars rather than the wires, that is charge can be moved. It is confined from the in all three dimensional structures x, y and z. Two dimensional structures for the particles, it is a sheet for the thickness L, Z along the Z axis, and the potential barriers that create the quantum well. This figures is shown, that is particle from the except from the quantum well, that is 0 is less than is equal to z is less than equal to Lz, and the losses for no energy or on colliding with the alls, z is equal to 0 and z is equal to 1. In the real system, this confinement is due to the electrostatic potentials for the, that is the find out the electrodes, doping, strain and the impurities. This is presence for the between different materials we can discuss in here, that is the surface or the semiconductor nanostructures, that is the agents for the motion of particles in the other two directions x and y planes. Inside the quantum well in the free directions, it is generally accepted that the quantum confinement of electrons by the potential wells and the nanometer size structures. It provides from the one of the most powerful and the versatile means to control the electrical, optical, magnetic and the thermoelectric properties of solid state functional materials. That means from the gallium arsenic quantum well inserted between two aluminum gallium arsenic is the barriers, it is the quantum wells, that is it is layer for the materials. Conduction band in the semiconductor is called as the band gaps and adjust the aluminum by the barrier layers and the thickness of gallium arsenic, it is growth from the quantum wells, and electronic properties for the created for the quantum mechanics. This is the one-dimensional potentials. It is simple confinement potentials. To treat for the quantum mechanics in the classical mechanics, the solution for the problem is trivials, that is from the speed for the quantum's parts. Now, this is the Schrodinger wave equations for the quantum dots, quantum well and quantum wires, that is we discussed in the previous parts.